Hi, Joel. We're here today to talk about love and compassion and using the Soul Activator disc. So,
Mm,
show us how to do that to get rid of the bitterness, the discord, and just, the yucky feelings so we can
mm.
have more love and compassion in our lives.
All right, Candace. So the activator works with chakras and it works with life force, which means it could work with many things. And so our focus today, love and compassion, which does, of course, relate to the physical heart and to the heart chakra. So let's use this as a tool to start to open up stuck energetic places in the heart space. So you can take it in either hand, and we're just going to go like so.
Does it matter clockwise, counterclockwise?
I would use both.
Okay.
Generally, you'll find that with one direction, energy flows in, with the other direction, energy flows out, but discover for yourself what's true for you. But do understand, some people have some sort of a preference that one direction is good and they think the other direction is bad. No, that would be like saying breathing in is good and breathing out is bad or something. So inflow, outflow is all good. Now, here's how you use it therapeutically regarding love and compassion. Put off in the distance a picture of somebody you have an attitude about. And what your heart is probably doing is saying, I'm going to get tight, because that's my instinctive reaction to some friend who said something, or some whoever. Neighbor, anybody. Get the energy moving while you look at the person. And this, of course, trains you that you don't have to go into automatic reaction to anyone or anything. And when you open up the energy, and mind you, it's gradual. It's not as if it just cleans up instantly. But start to notice, and you'll notice that by working that system, by working the heart system and getting it flowing, you can recognize, here's me over here, here's a person and what they said over there, and I'm not them, so I don't.
Well, it's shifting the energy on that picture.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's
because
just
you're
changing,
feeling from a different frequency.
right.
Yeah,
So
and if you're
every time you
thinking,
see that picture, you have that picture, it
mm,
starts to shift. Huh.
it empowers you to not be in reaction, and it empowers you to know that you're not that person, or a group, if it's a group you're responding to, or something abstract like a corporation or something.
Hmm.
It brings you back to center. Some people like to do it with the spin. Some people like to do the pulse, which looks like so. Yeah. Hmm.
Part
I
of
would
that
say,
just I want to hold on to. Feeling very justified.
well, that's good as far as it goes, but there's something better, and that's feeling good.
Yes.
Feeling good, by the way, it's not as selfish as it seems, because when you're in a bad mood, you tend to come up with messed up solutions that could be wrong or dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
When you're in your deeper, higher potential self, you'll know, is it appropriate to take action? And if action is appropriate, let me do it in a measured, grounded way, a centered way,
Or even just a
not a
response.
reactive way.
Right.
Yeah, sometimes no response is a response. Sometimes silence is a response. Sometimes speech is a response. But speech that comes from your center changes the world more quickly than when you're shaking your fist.
Wow. So can I? So I'm feeling like I'm pulsing out to the image,
You could do that.
and I'm like shifting out here the energy around the image.
Right, because you could access the image of the person or the group or whoever from a higher frequency. from a frequency of soul or higher self or divine essence.
Mm-hmm.
Now, it's important to understand when you perceive somebody from a higher frequency, it doesn't mean you're unaware of what they do or say.
Mm-hmm.
It's just giving you a chance to have a vibrational, energetic experience on a higher level.
Right.
But it doesn't make you foolish or unaware. So if something is dangerous, you aren't unaware of that, but you're not in reaction. And that starts to change your reality, and it even uplifts the planet a little bit.
Right. Well, we're all just a little piece of that, so.
Well, easy to say, but many people don't own that. So when you recognize my personal shift is uplifting the planet, if people laugh at that or if they think it's naive, they'll discover it eventually.
Well, the bottom line is that it takes two people to argue. So
Yes.
if you choose not to be an argument, it can't happen.
Right.
That in itself shows you how you're connected.
Yes. And that's true, what you just said, even if you've not met the person. For example, if I have an attitude about a fast food restaurant and I think, oh, I wish they had healthier food, and I'm just sending out bad energy around it, it's not going to change them.
No.
It's not going to help me. I'm the one with the attitude at the end of the day.
Right.
So if my heart is saying, oh, how can I bring more awareness of healthy food into this world? I'm more likely to do that if my heart's open than if my heart is just saying, I hate that restaurant.
But the thing is that everybody's at a different place. Okay?
Yeah.
And so, maybe today they're just a fast food person, but the more energy that goes out there around healthy eating. I mean, in the old days, McDonald's just had hamburgers. They didn't have salads. Okay.
Yeah.
So there in itself is a shift because of, corporations just respond to the public.
Sure.
If they produce a product that people don't want, they stop selling it.
Yeah.
So
if our hearts are open to a higher potential,
right.
Then we participate in that higher potential living. And then the restaurants say, oh, we detect that the public wants this or that.
Right.
Hence,
Let us
more
wrap
salads.
hamburgers. So this helps us get there. When you
It
find
helps
yourself
us get there
stuck,
by opening our heart. And I have to say, by opening our real heart, not our mentally described heart, where we say, well, I'm a spiritual person and I'm a good person, and therefore I love everyone. That's just a head trip. That's not.
Right. It's the shoulds and ought tos, where we're talking here about the visceral feelings of love and compassion, not the man-made definition of love and compassion.
Right.
Joel, thank you so much for all of that insight.
Thank you, Candace.
For more Powerforms training, information, and to join the Powerforms community, go to powerformshealing.com.